Hey folks.
Hi.
We are a couple of kids in a candy store today.
Yes, we are.
Although we were a couple of kids in a candy store last week.
No, we're on a roll.
Yeah.
there's a trend going here.
I had no idea that Indiana has so many great confectionaries and candy stores.
I know.
And today we are in the Mecca of gummy bears. The best gummy bears in all the land, the world, will be found right here. So folks, buckle up and buckle in.
Let another candy store adventure begin.
That's right, we're at Albanese Confectionery. Come on. Now, Scott Albanese is the founder of Albanese Candy, and this is a true American story. Scott basically built this business because he was looking to add some additional income during the winter months. He, by trade, was a mason and was looking for some additional income, so he started tinkering around with candy. Now, being of Italian descent, he knows something about food and creating great flavors. Well, and here you have it today with his candy. Scott was quoted as saying that making great candy was no different than making great pasta, and I would have to agree. Today, the factory is over 350,000 square feet and also employs over 450 employees. Just an amazing, amazing testament to his willingness to want to succeed. And he has definitely done that. With a succession plan in place where he's going to be turning the business over to his daughters, I think they're on a good path. This place is amazing. If you're not able to make it here to Merrillville, Indiana, well, you can find their product at www.albanesecandy.com or probably in your local retailer. Again, they serve over 41 countries. Such an amazing business.
We scored.
That place was amazing.
It really is. There's so much variety. Chocolates, gummy bears, you name it. They've got, right now they have like a summer selection of sweets. So yeah, we are kicking off the pre-summer sweets tour. I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, I don't know what we're doing either. But I got to tell you this, I like what we're doing because
I like it too.
I was a kid in a candy store. Whee! It was so good. Now Albanese, I know I'm goofy, but Albanese, man, I got to tell you this. It's family owned, and it was the Albanese family that started. I think it was back. Well, let me give you a hint of when this came to be.
Return of the Jedi was released.
Yeah. And The Outsiders is another favorite movie of mine. That was released, yeah.
And one of my favorites, Flashdance. What a feeling, I can't feel it now. And I could feel, yeah, I know, it's crazy, right? Because I was feeling it in there. You can smell the scent of that sweet, sweet candy. And again, Albanese is, well, you've never seen me move like that? That's crazy.
I've seen you move
I
like
know,
that.
and nobody else has.
I've seen you move like
I
that
know.
in the
Hey,
YouTube world.
hey, welcome to my moves, folks.
Just the beginning.
But at any rate, Albanese, they're known for having the, and I mean the, very best gummy bears in all the land, the world, the whole world.
That's
So folks,
incredible. Right here in Indiana.
Yeah. So folks, thanks for hanging out.
If
We're gonna
you're
travel
in this
around.
area,
Yeah, we're gonna travel around. This is Albanese Candy Store. It's in, I believe it's Holbert, Indiana. Is that where we're at?
Merrillville.
Merrillville, Holbert. They've got 2 locations.
Yeah.
I think this is the Holbert
I'm saying it
location,
right,
or
yeah.
maybe the Merrillville. I don't know. Look it up anyway. It's a great place. It's a great time. Had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's where the factory is located.
Yeah.
There's 2 locations, but this is the larger one.
And when you pull up, you can smell
Oh my gosh.
from the factory, because the factory, this is the big store where the factory is and everything else, and
Which
you
I
can
just
smell it
said.
in the air as soon as you pull in the parking lot. It's wonderful. But folks, I'm going to stop babbling and let you start looking up Albanese, because I know you will, because this place is fantastic.
Yeah, make sure you come out next time you're in this area, or plan a trip to be in this area so that you can come out.
Yeah. So
we're
in
gonna do
closing,
other stuff. Yeah.
good day to you. All right, see you next time.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like and subscribe.
Come on.